I'm about to be glowing.
Kiana, you ready?
Big ass, get that big ass, get that.
Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to another video on my channel. It's been a minute and I missed you guys, but nursing school had me in a chokehold, and then when it didn't, I was just like, I choose me. Like, so I was definitely taking a break, mental health break, like just a pause on life. And sometimes we need to do that, especially when like everything is just overwhelming. But as you can tell from the title below, I will be doing another Boxycharm video. Like, why not? Because that's what I've been doing on here. More nursing related and like work related videos should be coming shortly, or just soon. I'm gonna just say soon because I have not been consistent, and so I don't want to get you guys' hopes up, but they are coming. But like I said, another Boxycharm. This month's theme is a game changer, celebrating all the game changers and boss babes in honor of this month. First up in the box is the Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask. This is an active brightening vitamin C mask that multitask, natural and cruelty-free. As you know, vitamin C helps with acne, hyperpigmentation, scarring, and fine lines. The price of this is $19.95. I did try this, but in my opinion, it smells like Elmer's glue. Yeah, it doesn't smell great. I thought like because it has papaya enzyme and this plum type of thing, that and all these fruit extracts, that it would smell amazing and I would love this. I haven't used this long enough to tell if it cleared up my hyperpigmentation, but yeah, I don't like the smell, so that's about it for this. Maybe I should take it out the box, right? I don't know, it's been so long, but it looks like this, and you're supposed to use it with SPF, and it has like this nice pump, which I like. Oh, that was a lot, and wow, it's just dripping all over. How to use this product: you're going to apply a thick layer on your face for 30 seconds in a circular motion, and then leave on for 5 minutes. Make sure you evenly distribute throughout, and then you want to put on SPF afterwards, and repeat 2 to 3 times per week. So this is the Korres Santorini Grape Velvet Skin Drink. It can transform your skin to velvet with a single drop of the multitasking treatment that blurs imperfections and smooths texture and replenishes skin with awakened hydration. So let's open this. And this goes for $48. So this I have not used, but I love this bottle. Hopefully it smells like grapes. Let's see on the skin. Oh, yes. So, So this is naturally found in grape skin. It's known for its multiple anti-aging benefits. It also brightens skin. I'm definitely gonna start using this. And it smooths skin texture. And you should use this after daily cleansing. You apply it to the face and neck area. So yes, I'm gonna start using this more often. Doesn't really smell like grapes to me, but it does leave my skin looking nice, and that's what we want. Nice and hydrated, so I'm about to be glowing this summer 2022. All right, so next in the box is this Luxie Florals brush set. So this goes for $40, by the way. So it comes with this mini this comes with this mini beauty blender. It's super tiny. And it comes with these brushes. I love the color. Of them. Very, very pretty. Is 4 brushes: an eyeliner brush, a tapered blending brush, an eye shading brush, and a concealer brush. all in this cute purple pouch. And like I said, it goes for $40. And next in the box, we have this lip liner by Persona. So it says, line, define, and shape your lips with this creamy and blendable lip liner formulated with jojoba oil and hydrogenated cottonseed oil for your effortless glide-on application to help create the perfect canvas for a long-lasting lip color. All right, I'm just going to do a swatch. It's this color. That is pretty. I like that. I like that a lot. What color is this? So this is in the color, I guess, 90210. And it is $14 and it is vegan and paraben free. And last but not least, we have this Eleman Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. So I'm gonna take this. I like this. I love the design of the packaging. Created to give you weightless, long-lasting wear. Infused with vitamin E, this liquid lipstick will moisturize and nourish your lips. This goes for $18. Says it's non-sticky, so we'll see about that. I'm gonna swatch it first, and then I'm going to put it. A little bright for my liking, because I'm more like lip gloss and neutrals and stuff like this. But I can't try it on my lips. I might look crazy, but we'll see. Oh, maybe I should try it with the liner first. Hold on. Oh, this smells good. Oh, I got some on my nose. This smells really good. Best smelling thing in this box. So definitely not for me. I'm gonna wipe this off. It is too bright for my liking, but it smells great. It goes on easy, and I love, love, love the packaging of it. So, but other than that, yeah, this color is just not. No, I don't like that. I personally don't like this color on me, but for anybody else, it may complement their skin, but it's just too bright for my liking. So that completes this month's Boxycharm unboxing. Sorry this video may be a little bit short for you guys, but I definitely just wanted to just come back, show my face, and not just throw any like work related or nursing related video out there. I have been recording, so I just gotta get those videos together, edit them, and then upload them. But thank you again for tuning in. Feel free to leave a comment below and tell me what you'd like to see next. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.